The biggest impact is to many utilities is going to be on cost. Replacing a single service line can range from $5,000 to $15,000, so that's a big number. Replacement programs have a lot of moving parts, and that can be tough to manage, especially with tracking the number of attempts made to the property owner to replace their line. In addition to the cost impact of replacing every lead line and galvanized line, the rate of replacement is based on the inventory and includes any unknowns in your inventory beginning in 2027. Therefore, reducing the number of unknowns before 2027 is going to be really beneficial. I have an example here. If you have 50,000 service lines, 5,000 of those are lead and 10,000 of those are unknown. The remaining are all non-lead, and the replacement target would be 1,500 per year. If half of those unknowns turn out to be non-lead, then you would finish your replacements in just under 7 years, which has a big impact on your budget.